In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox on Chromebook. So step 1, you just have to go to any web browser. Step 2, type roblox.com. Wait for a couple of seconds. Step 3, if you don't have an account yet, you must sign up. But if you have an account already, you have to click login and then log in your username or email address and your password. Okay, so step 4, what you're going to do is to select any game here. For example, I want to play Please Donate. Step 5, after selecting a game, you just have to simply click the green button there. Okay, tap this one. Step 6, if you don't have a Roblox yet, what you're going to do is to click download and install. If you have already, click open Roblox. But this time, let me tap download and install. Okay, step 7, you have to go to your download folder, locate Roblox, and then step 8, you just have to click or right click and then tap run as administrator. And then you will wait for a couple of seconds as it is installing. Okay, so it will appear right here. Step 9, once done, all you have to do is to click login or sign up. Step 10, you can now play your game. I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.